Hello everybody, and how's it going? In this video we are going to be learning how to create a simple formula in Excel. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Now you are well aware about the sum formula in Excel. Simply need to head over to formulas and click on auto sum, and below you'll be able to see that we have 95, which is sum of our entire column. And similarly you can do for your column B as well. Adding numbers is one thing in Excel, but you can do other math as well. Try some simple formulas like add, subtract, multiply, or even dividing numbers. So let's just start by multiplying. First, you simply need to select the column where you are going to be getting your result, and after that you simply need to type in here is equal to and select your first cell, which is D7 in our case, and you're going to be placing a asterisk in between, so you multiply your numbers and select your cell 2, which is E7, and once you press enter on your keyboard you will be able to see that 15 into 40 is 600. Now in other cell, let's say I want to divide 50 with 15. I can repeat the same exact process, type in is equal to, and after that 50 and divided sign, and select other cell. Simply press enter on your keyboard and you will be able to see that we have our results being displayed. And last but not least, we can subtract numbers as well. So type is equal to and select your first cell, which is D8 in our case, and minus sign, and after that 15, which is cell E8. Press enter and you can see 50 minus 15 is 35. So that's a pretty simple process to create a simple formula in Excel. I really hope you learned something new and this video was quite helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.